guys, tired of being stuck at home? Me too. So what I put together for you is a list of links where you can actually take a mini virtual vacation. Several here. You can go all the way to Mars if you really want to travel that far. Ride around in a rover and check out Mars's surface. You can go visit the Smithsonian without the crowds. Any room, even past exhibits that they no longer have. You can also visit the Great Wall of China without ever going to China, so everybody's safe on that point. This one is kind of cool because you can move just like you're walking along the top of the Great Wall of China. And then one of my favorite actually is the 360 cities. And in this one, you can visit any city. Here again, it's set up where you can move using your mouse like you're walking through the cities. So just to kind of show you some of these, we'll visit Mars. Why not? So this is what it looks like when you first enter. And you can click on the 360. It does take a little while to load, so I'm not going to click on that automatically just because I don't want it to take up too much time. But that's what you get to wheel around in, at least virtually, on the surface of Mars. And this is put together by NASA, so it is all definitely true. Then, of course, the other one, the Smithsonian. If you click on it, it takes you to their website. Of course, everything tells you that they're closed, but you can view it virtually, and that has the list of the exhibits. You've got the permanent exhibits, the current ones they have, past exhibits, all different ones. So that website is very entertaining as well. The Great Wall of China, as I mentioned. It tells you a little bit of history as well. And then, of course, this is what I was referring to as the fact that you can just take and check out the Great Wall of China. You can maneuver it and move as you wish, as quickly, as slowly, seeing exactly what the Great Wall of China actually looks like. And then, of course, last but not least, is actually my favorite, and that is the one where it is the 360 cities anywhere. So you can basically pick up or pick out a city. You can search the cities and take a look around that particular city. So enjoy these. I know this is not the same as being in class. This is a break from class, of course, but you can still take a vacation while you're stuck at home. Miss you guys. Take care. Bye.